The following explains how to complete a plank replacement for COREtec's patent-pending SoftStep product. First, tape around the perimeter of the plank to be replaced using painter's tape. This will help protect the adjacent planks. From the corners of the plank, mark intersecting lines at a 45-degree angle. Then, mark a center line parallel to the long edges on the damaged plank. On your circular saw, adjust the depth of the blade to be the thickness of the plank. Carefully cut through the lines previously marked on the damaged piece. Be careful not to cut into the tape. Use a utility knife to verify the cuts are all the way through the plank and completely into the corners. Using a putty knife, carefully remove the pieces. Remove the painter's tape from the perimeter. Clean the opening using a vacuum to remove all loose debris. To prepare for replacement, remove the clips from the replacement plank as well as from the adjacent plank. Then, cut the tongue off the long edge using a hook bill knife or a straight edge and a utility knife. Remove the ridge from the short edge groove. This will be the lead edge as the plank is inserted. Remove 2 inches of the groove from the long edge at the opposite end. Verify the opening is once again free of debris. Then apply superglue to the exposed grooves in the opening and to the shaved groove of the replacement piece. Begin installing the replacement plank by engaging the long edge first. Then hold the lead edge down as you tap the plank into position using a mallet and a tapping block. Roll the joints and place a weight on the new plank until the glue completely dries. Remove the weight and return the space to regular use. Thank you for watching the SoftStep plank replacement video.